Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Ruben, aka the AI Kid, and I'm an adventure guide by nature but self-proclaimed freelance digital and affiliate marketer. In this video, I'll show you RankIQ's simple two-step process for getting your post to rank on the first page of Google. RankIQ is the only SEO tool made just for bloggers, and it's super easy to use. They rank number 1 in the world out of all 414 SEO tools on G2. Now let me show you how RankIQ will get your blog post to dominate the Google rankings so that your Google Analytics can start looking like this. The first step is doing keyword research the right way. Grove Badger's blogging income study found that the biggest difference between bloggers earning over $50,000 a year and low-income bloggers was that the high-income bloggers used keyword research to decide what topics to publish posts on. Unfortunately, the majority of keyword research tools give you a whole bunch of information related to Google Ads that is mostly irrelevant to a blogger. And you have to sift through millions of keywords to find the ones with decent traffic that you actually can rank for. This process can take over 100 hours to complete. There's also a large margin of error because the tools are hard to master. RankIQ stands alone as the first tool with a team of top keyword research experts on the planet that has identified the lowest competition, high traffic keywords in every blogging niche. When you select from any of the 500 plus blogging niches covered in the library, you get a hand-picked list of the lowest competition phrases with the highest traffic potential. No searching, no sifting, everyone is a clear winner. The larger niches have up to 100 sub-niches that has been independently researched. For example, food has sub-niche libraries for everything, from air fryers to vegan desserts. When you go into a niche or sub-niche library, you will see 3 easy to understand metrics that help you decide what keywords to go after first. The competition score shows you how much competition there is for the phrase. The visit per year metric shows you the amount of traffic you can expect from a first page ranking. And the third and final metric tells you how long it will take to get to the first page on Google after you publish a post. Once you choose a keyword to write a post on, then you click the Run Report button. And RankIQ's powerful algorithm begins to analyze thousands of factors across the top ranking blogs posts for that phrase. This takes us to step 2, which is to create the most comprehensive piece of content for that specific keyword. When RankIQ's analysis is completed, you're taken to the SEO report, which tells you the content grade and word count you'll need to hit. Below that, it lists the topics Google likes the most in order of importance for your target keyword. For the phrase, things to do in Houston, a list of topics virtually writes your outline for you, listing out each of the top things to do in Houston. In addition, the report tells you what words Google likes the most in blog post titles. The optimization for your post title is just as important as the content in your post. The easy-to-use visual display uses stars to mark the words in your target phrase. A range icon tags the most used title modifier to choose from, like best, fun, and free. And the calendar icon lets you know when you need to include the current year at the tail end of your title for posts that need to get updated on a yearly basis. In less than 90 seconds, RankIQ's title grader will help you quickly create a top-notch title that Google will love. After you write your first draft from the outline, then you click into RankIQ's Content Optimizer, and you'll drop your draft into the online editor. RankIQ scores your content from an F to an A++ and tells you where your grade and word count needs to be. If you need to improve your grade, then just write some more content on the topics Google likes the most, located on the right hand side of the editor. Once you've added that extra content and moved your rank up, you will have written the most comprehensive blog post on a hand-picked keyword with low competition and high traffic potential. And it's even easier to optimize old posts. In just 30 minutes, you can optimize an old underperforming post and put it in a position to be a top performer. Keyword research tools like SEMrush charge $119 a month for their lowest membership. In addition to being expensive, they leave it up to you to spend hundreds of hours searching through a database of 20 billion keywords to find the ones you can actually rank for. The best content optimization tools like ClearScope start as high as $170 a month, which is out of the price range for most bloggers. The total monthly cost subscribing to SEMrush and ClearScope comes out to $289 per month. RankIQ gives you a better version of both SEMrush and ClearScope for just $99 a month. And it's currently just $49 per month if you join today with the link in the description. The users love RankIQ because they are getting results, and that's why RankIQ has a 99 out of 100 customer satisfaction score. RankIQ has also won 19 international awards as a top SEO software for best relationship, most implementable, easiest to do business with, best usability, and best results. As a RankIQ user, you'll be able to choose from a hand-picked library keyword in your niche with the lowest competition and the highest traffic potential. Make complete blog post outlines in minutes. Craft perfectly SEO titles that Google loves. Create the most comprehensive piece of content for every topic you write about. And turn your old underperforming posts into top performers. If you're ready to take your blog's traffic to the next level, then click on the link in the description to get started today. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below. And as always, don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Be safe, thanks for watching, and I'll see you all on the next video.